Hi guys, welcome back. I hope you all had a profitable day. Today's markets were not as good as expected. We expected some big moves, but market uh, it was in a SL hunting phase, so a lot of option buyers would have lost their money today. But if you let's understand what happened in the markets today. All right. First, we'll talk about what we discussed yesterday. I showed you an inside candle strategy that I follow, and I told you to take trades or go for longs only if that level is breached, that level was 19,421. All right. As soon as that level was crossed, we saw very good bullish momentum in the market, which took the markets to a new high of 19,513. So if you all would have followed that plan action, I think that it would have given you good profits today. All right. And we just have to understand that the markets were not too suitable for option buyers today, or for being there in the market for a longer time, because there was decay that we had to take into consideration, and also there was no such price action that was happening. There were only traps in the market today. It was in a range and it is following that range. Now let me show you. For Nifty, at least we can say that the strategy that we had in our mind, or plan of action that we had in our mind, came into action today. So you can look at this candle. So we have captured that move. All right. Now for Nifty specifically, what will be a plan of action for tomorrow? So tomorrow basically we have to understand that the markets on Friday always follow good price action, but we have to keep into consideration the decay that is going to happen in the premiums because it's Friday. All right. So let's understand what has happened. Yeah, we can see a inverted hammer formation again, but then we have a breakout of a zone, which is a good consolidation zone, and now we have seen a breakout of that, a proper retest of it, and then we have got the targets. All right. So always follow the price action, because I'll show you the chart of Bank Nifty here. In Bank Nifty, the same thing did not happen. It did not retest and it just came in back. All right. So to avoid failures in the market, to avoid breakout failures, you must follow proper price action. All right. So for tomorrow, what I am expecting from the markets, I'm expecting a sideways market opening tomorrow, and from there we will have to see what price action suggests. Right now, according to our previous study, we are longs in Nifty. All right. And Nifty is creating new high. There is good momentum in the markets, but also to keep in mind the exact rejection that we got from the level was 19,513, 19,500, which is a psychological level, and also there are a lot of call writers present at that price point. So we will wait for fresh trades. Let Nifty cross 19,500 and then see what is the price action, and then take trades according to the price action. Right. So just keep in mind that markets are in an uptrend right now. So whenever you plan a bearish trade, just understand, keep proper risk to reward, so that you don't lose a lot of money. All right. Follow the instructions that we have shared with you guys, so you will remain profitable on the longer term. All right. So now let's come to Bank Nifty, the daily chart. In the daily chart, we can see that we have not got a breakout of this level. All right. It just came back from that level. So we would now be waiting for this level to breach, create a proper price action. We will want Bank Nifty to go above 45,418. All right. Create a proper price action. Let it cross. All right. Let it cross. Let it retest, and then enter the trades after the swing highs are taken out. All right. This will be one of our resistance for tomorrow. Let me show you that level. Here, 45,655. This will be one of our resistance for tomorrow. If it crosses 500, I feel that Bank Nifty will create a good momentum, and it will create a new high again, because there are again in Bank Nifty also there are a lot of people, lot of call writers sitting at 45,500. So understand one thing, that if I am a seller at 45,500. All right. Let me mark the zone. If I'm a seller at 45,500, I will not stay in the trade when the markets go above that. I will not face losses. I will book my losses. And if I am writing or I'm selling my calls or puts, whatever it is, at this range, right? So I will have a stop loss somewhere around here or here maybe. So I will exit at my stop loss. I will not be holding the trade. So for exiting also, they have to buy back what they have sold. So here, due to the breakout, there are fresh buyers, plus the guys who have already sold are going to buy. So we will get a very good short covering above the price point of 45,500. Right. So keep in mind that you follow proper price action, and once this level is breached, wait for the retest and then enter into the trades after the swing high is taken out. So we can go for the targets of 45,655 as a first target and 45,728 as a second target, right, somewhere here. So these will be our targets for Bank Nifty if it crosses 45,418 and also 45,508. So these are the things that we have to keep in mind. Currently the markets are bullish, so looking for bearish trades is very risky. Again, I'm telling you, if you are going for bearish trades, please follow your price action properly. Risk to reward management is very important. Follow the rules that we have shared with you. We will share that again, all right, in the group, so you all can just read that. It is also pinned on the channel, so you can get that. Let's come to the 15 minutes time frame of Bank Nifty. See, there's again a rejection from the same level. So the market, but it followed a very good trend line which it was making, all right. So to get into shorts also, you will have to wait for this trend line to be breached. And remember, the trend line breakdown does not count. You see there is a move generated right from here, which means there are interested buyers over here. So for you to enter into shorts, you should understand that you can only enter shorts after this level is breached. And generally, if you will get a breakdown here, it will be something like this. You'll test its support, test the trend line, and then maybe it will give a breakdown or it will just go sideways. Alright, so you have to understand that. Keep in mind, there are a lot of buying zones over here. These are accumulation zones. If you look at this is an accumulation zone. The market has not moved, but there's a lot of buying happening over here. So you have to understand that there are interested buyers over here who would want to buy at the same level again. So if you are planning for shorts, I think scalping would be the best option for you for tomorrow. Alright, for any further updates in the market for tomorrow, we will be in touch with you. I will be constantly sharing my opinions on the group, so please be active. And if you have any queries regarding to anything related to the markets or risk management or something that you want to talk about, how to follow a discipline in the markets, please comment us. We will get back to you, and also like the channel. See you soon. Bye.